Wagon Central, man. Oh, we are right where we need to be, guys. Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we're gonna be taking Wago to a little car meet. I was invited by one of my friends, so we're gonna go over there and kind of see what's up, kind of check out the vibe, get a nice little morning cruise in with Wago, and see how she handles. So no further ado, let's make it happen. Well, guys, there just weren't very many cars at this little meet, kind of just like Audis and stuff. There was like a Civic Si, a newer one, but seemed pretty stock, and I don't know, it just was not a very eventful meet. So we are just gonna hit the road and go cruise around. You guys on the GoPro, but it died, so for now, just enjoy the beautiful scenery. Sometimes I just like to cruise around, kind of just think about things that I want to do and plans that I have. Really, it's just very stress relieving too. So a lot of these roads around here are pretty nice. There is snow on the ground, but the roads are pretty clear, which is nice, and it's chilly, but it's just not too cold out. first little spot I went to is kind of like a pre-meet spot, and they're all going to another actual location at this shop called Colorworks, and that's where my friend actually is at. So we're gonna go over there. He told me there are some pretty cool cars up there, so let's go see what's up. There's some dope wagons here, for real. Wagon Central, man. Well, we are right where we need to be, guys. So nice. The Tesla on the wheels, looking clean. Here in Colorado, there are tons of Subarus. This is like 85% of the car scene out here. Super clean old school Porsche. I'm not a huge fan of Saabs, but this thing is actually kind of dope. I really like the yellow calipers. Turbo boys. Very nice. R35 boys. Really like the wheels on these ones. This thing here as well is also super clean. Bag life. Comment down below if I should put bags on the wagon, the TSX wagon. Let me know. Corvette boys. Very nice. Looking very nice over there, sitting pretty.
The orange one? Awesome.
Right now.
Nice M2. Too bad Fresh Kicks got rid of his. It's pretty clean. Very nice. I like how wide the rear fenders are. They are just like, if you just look at the angles, this is just a thick car. Very nice little spoiler there on the back. Very clean, very clean. Yes, sir. Car Fresh TV, the one and only, with the beautiful, beautiful Mustang GT CS. You said it needs a car wash, yeah. I think both of our cars need car washes.
Let me know what y'all think should be next. I'm thinking about changing the rims, but I definitely want to put some more power down. So
For sure.
what y'all think I should do?
Heck yeah, Car Fresh TV.
Crazy that yours actually runs as good as it does. That's this altitude. Yeah, an N8 motor. I think.
Man, we just keep seeing more and more wagons, don't we, guys? I think Mr. Chris Whips and all his wagons is really starting to inspire these folks. I'm just playing. I'm just kidding. Been seeing a lot of Euros today as well, I noticed. Huh, that's really interesting. Hey, we just seen this dude at the other meet earlier. Hell yeah. Well, guys, it has been quite the day. We had a pretty good cruise. It was pretty fun. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. You guys know I'm just trying to build the channel one good video at a time. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.